We know that much of protecting this nation in this century is going to depend on the good work that is done by academic research.
We have people coming up with unbelievable solutions. Our best ideas are either in a cubicle, they're in the belly of a ship, they're in a cockpit, they're in a maintenance bay, because humans are more important than hardware.
We're aiming towards something that doesn't exist today, but we'll be forced to create it in the private sector and in the public sector, which is the means to have autonomous defense without human in the loop.
Talked a lot on this stage about the research that China has been investing in and the great work that Vanderbilt did here and uncovering how much they want to know about us. They're studying, they're taking notes, they're developing strategy. I'm sure there's a system of measurements to that, right? It's very thoughtful.
The role of academic universities is critical for our national security in the future.